Hello, I'm Nandandas from my YouTube channel with Nandandas. Whatever in my life, always I share with you. Today I want to share you a nice experience of best in fashion designing, best in okay. Let's see. That's what I want to say. In this pandemic, I thought about basically I like to work as a teacher, best in fashion designing. So I work for the Lots organization in Kolkata. Basically, I know the busy fashion designer. They are mentioned. They are have no times to continue to share the study. But it's my concept as a fashion designer, have to share whatever you studied in Europe, whatever your present concept in best in fashion designing. So I worked as a faculty for lots organizations to NIMT, Bhavanipur College, then NSU, PIMT, Macau University, the lots organization. I work also the Bhavanipur College, AICT, Global University, lots organization. But it's a new experience in my life that I'm sharing with you in this pandemic. Basically, the central CBSE, they start one of the subject they introduce is fashion studies. I think it's really nice concept is they are providing this subject. So in this pandemic, I joined a CBSE school. One of the movies in Amir Khan I'm telling about is Nikum sir. Basically, as a teacher, student mentioned that's when I'm very soft. Why not to join with this one? It's like in like 16, 17 years, the boy, I don't know how will manage. So today I am sharing with you this beautiful experience that I'm working for my CBSE school and I'm enjoying. As in is in my blog. Today I'm sharing with experience. This school basically starts. Okay, let's start. This school, the name is Bodhisukha. Yes, is one of the Buddhist Relief Society school. Actually, it was the one of time. It was just like a the one of the place. Basically, the people, the Buddhist people, they starts their learns about the Buddhas and that. After I think 10, 12 years, they start a school just to give education for the generation. And this is the one of the memento, Bodhisukha School, BDS, and definitely, uh, you know, definitely Gautam Buddha is here. And this is a beautifully a golden, the mounts, this beautiful things is in my school campus. And every day when I came, every day I always pray to Gautam Buddha, please you want the peace. And definitely, this is a big thing that we can overcome this pandemic. This is in my school campus. I like it big way and big way. It's beautiful. The concept is here. Totally is made with golden. This one is one up temple. Uh, Still is in beside of this is in campus school campus. A beautiful the Buddhist. Definitely Gautam Buddha is golden. Gautam Buddha, one of the statues here, is inside of this the campus. Yes, every day I got the peace when I came here. The beautiful statue of the golden Gautam Buddha. Really, basically, today I came here and I enjoy. I got the peace here. I got a peace and basically I start a new way. Yes, the beautiful things. Yes, I'm really lucky that I'm spending this beautiful environment at least today in a week. Yes, another the beautiful uh, statue is here, and we are entering is my school campus. Yes, lots. You know, still we just start the classes 9, 10, and 11, 12. So the still kids are cannot coming in the school. So the bus is I don't know when we'll start. Definitely we'll pray to God. Yes, once everything we want very fast. At least we can listen this howling. I'm using these words again and again. because we got the peace. I know when all the kids will come, and this is a beautiful ponds. I'm telling about small ponds here, and I saw here when I came, the lots of monk there. Basically, they're waiting. You know the beautiful uh, place. Basically, in 2 day, I got a fresh year always. I got the energy. I got so big way I start to love, and this is on my school campus. Today I'm sharing with you, and of course we are waiting the all the student we can overcome this pandemic situation, and we start again. We want to start again and again. This is the view. This is the campus. Yes, is the main campus. We are just uh, watching every day, and I'm really enjoying with this. Really enjoying. This is the main campus. Everything I'm sharing, everything, whatever is my YouTube channel, I'm continuing. Always I share with you. So this is our beautiful moments. At least in a week, 2 day, I spends my time, a beautiful time. So today, just I'm sharing with you. Hope you enjoy a big way. How you like this one? How you? And please, another way, once more, please do pray to God's. At least we can go for this entertainments. Tata, bye bye.